Dear students, welcome to NRS YouTube channel. So in the previous class we discussed regarding spreadsheet. So spreadsheet is nothing but it is a well organized data information. The advantage of a spreadsheet is to organize data information systematically, so that at the end of the day we can easily retrieve the values or retrieve the data information. So depend upon the student or depend upon the person, right? So his personal information, so that the retrieve process has been very easy, right? Okay, so in the last class we discussed all these, and we discussed regarding the interface of MS Excel. So right now on screen it displays this is a complete an interface of MS Excel 2010. So spreadsheet is mainly made up of a number of rows and a number of columns, so that we discussed already. And the columns are named by alphabets and rows are named by rows are named by numbers, right? So row 1 2 3, and column we have A B C D, right? Okay, so and also we discussed regarding active cell, right? So right now on the screen, all of you look at the screen. So right now on the screen, the rectangle on the border line, that we call it as a cell, that is an active cell. Okay, so what is the use of active cell, and that we discussed yesterday in the previous class. So active cell is used to enter the data information in a cell. Okay, so what is cell? Cell is an intersection between row and column. Intersection of row and column, we call it as a cell. So whatever the data information if you want to insert, whether it is alphabet, number, special character, anything it is, so you need to enter in a cell. So to enter the data or value in a cell, you need to make it as an active cell. So that how to make it active cell? Just you can click on a particular cell. Just you can click on particular cell, it will become an active cell, right? So today, dear students, we will discuss about entering the data information in a cell, and as well as how to resize the font and styles. How to resize the fonts and how to change the styles of a font. Okay, and also we discussed regarding copy and moving, right? So copying a text from one cell to another cell, or moving a text or data information from one cell to another cell, right? So now I need to first of all I want to enter a data information in a cell, that is an IRS. Okay, so I have entered a text or data information which is that is NIRS in a cell. Okay, so now I want to changing the font of a size of the font, that is NIRS. So little bigger I want to make it, so I want to increase the NIRS text size. So how to make it? Just click on the particular cell where you have entered the data, and then you move on to the font group. So the font group available in, look at the screen, the font group available in which tab? Home tab, which is available in home tab. So this is a home tab, and this is a font group. So in the font group, here we have some options. We have some commands. We can play with the text, right? The first one is we have, that is font. You can change the font style, and here you have font size you can change, and here increase the font size, decrease the font size, make it text bold, italic, underline, right? And you can make you can apply the border for the cell, and you can apply the background color and text color, right? So now I want to increase the font size, that is NRS, right? So first of all, what is the first step? The first step is you have to select the cell. The next, go to the font group, and here you can so right now the number is 11 is there. Okay, the font size is 11. I want to make it little bigger, that is go to the 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So just you can go to the higher number, the font size will be increase, right? So this is how we can increase the font size. If you want to decrease, again you can go to the font group and you can decrease the font size. Okay, right? Right. Okay, so now uh, if you want to increase the font size without using that any number, right? So just select the text, select the cell, and just click on this alphabet A, right? It means bigger A, small a. Bigger A icon refers to increasing the font size, and small size capital A indicate that decreasing the font size. So first I will go for uh, increasing the font size. Just click one time, it will automatically increase the font size, right? And if you click on a smaller a, it will decrease the font size again, right? So this is how it works, and it's depend upon your that requirement. Okay, so while you are creating, or while you are organizing the data information, so for the look and feel, if you want to make it a document more presentable, so in such condition you can change the font size, right? So next we have that is style. Okay, font style. I will make increase the font size I will little bit. Yeah. Okay, so now I want to uh, change the font style. So to change the font style, what is the first step? You need to select the cell, then go to the font group, click over here. Here you have so many, you know uh, yes, we have so many font styles we have. So which one you want, you can change it, right? We have so many font size style we have, so depend upon your requirement, you can make it change. Well, right? So it depend upon yours. If you want to make the title, especially that changing the font size bigger, and make it bold, so especially it is used for the title of the document. Well, so now here we have changed the font style, right? So again, if you want to make it a little smaller, just you can click over here, it will become okay. So this is how we can use, and here we have one more option, that is bold. Okay, you can look at the screen, students. So in the font group, in the same font group, here we have an option called B, right? So what it means, it means bold. You can make the text bold, right? So bold in the sense how it goes. So now I will go for select the text, select the cell, and now I will click on bold. You can observe the screen, right? Remove the bold, apply the bold, remove the bold, okay, then apply the bold, right? So this is how it works, that is bold. And next we have that is one more, that is italic. So italic means when you apply this italic option for the text, so you will get the text will be get a slant effect. Okay, so little bit slant you will get. So select the cell and click on italic option. You can observe the screen. So this is slant effect, italic, normal, italic, normal, right? So next, if you want to make an underline for the text, so then you can go for underline option. Click on underline. If you want to remove that underline, again you can click on the same icon, underline icon, it will remove. So this is how you can work with the text which you have entered in a cell, right? And even you can apply the background color of the text. Okay, and color text color also you can change. Right now the text color is black is there, so now I want to change it to the red color, right? Okay, right. So how to do? Just you can select the text, again select the cell, and in the font group, here we have that is font color. So click on the arrow mark here. Here you will get so many different type of colors you will get. So select any one color. Okay, so I will go for, okay, so dark red. Okay, so this is how you can change. Now even you can apply the background color of the text. So right, so background color of the text in the sense the background color of the cell. Okay, you can fill a color for the cell. So this is complete cell. So now we will go for fill color. Okay, so fill color, right? So you can apply different color, right? So you can desired color you can apply, right? Okay, so this is how you can apply color for the cell and as well as for the text. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss regarding how to copy and move a text from one cell to another cell, and as well as in the next class we will discuss regarding the filter and sorting. Okay, so the main advantage of spreadsheet is filter and sorting. Okay, so that already we discussed. Okay, so what is that? What is the main advantage of spreadsheet? The spreadsheet is used to uh, organize the data information systematically to retrieve the values. So whenever we retrieve, right, so here in a filtering and sorting we'll discuss regarding that. Okay, thank you.